Hey everybody, welcome back, and welcome Ruthie back, please. So she's back out here, and we're going to get busy on her 29 because today's the 21st of January, and JaxCon is. Do you know when JaxCon is? Do you know what month it's in? February the 11th. So you can do the math. January 21st to February 11th. It's not that many days. So what we got to do is, we'll get it zoomed in here so I can see it. Oh, glasses. So her body is prepped and ready for paint. She juggled around different paint colors, and tell them what colors we finally figured out. Ruthie, what's that?
I don't know how to spell it. Say
Adobe.
That. Adobe. Okay.
Adobe
beige. And burnt amber metallic.
Burnt amber metallic. And so the Adobe beige will be on the body color, and the burnt amber metallic will be the fenders. And she figured that'd go pretty good with the pumpkin decals that are out of season right now. But anyway, that's what the goal is. And also the engine has been painted with the gloss black, so it has to have the metallizer or the metal chrome paint sprayed on it, so we might get that too. So we're gonna get busy. She's gonna get some gloves on, a mask on, and then she's gonna be spraying some paint. So we'll get the camera set up and get going. Stand by. All right, so Ruthie's going to mix the paint. We're gonna go 50-50, and we're going to do 4 milliliters of paint.
Wait, how do I keep sucking it up?
Press it harder. There you go. Stop it at 2. Stop it at 2. Okay, right there. Don't drip it all over the mat. It's okay if you go a little over 2, just go a little under 2 next time. 50-50, and then about with 8 milliliters of paint, probably about, I don't know, about 6 or 8 drops of hardener in there with it. The hardener seems to really make this paint. Can you see that? Can't get it to go up there, right there. That's all right. Do it. Anyway, the hardener makes the paint really work well. I get better results when I use the hardener. All right, so take this and lay it right here. We will mix. We'll use that to mix. We won't touch paint on this pipette. So let's get 2. It's kind of low. That's 2. Okay. All right. And one more. That's good. That's good. Do that. Because you're going to have a little tad more paint than you will thinner. Okay, now take that pipette. Well, hold on. Let me get you some hardener here. Oops. I'll put it in for you. All right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I did 12.
Just stir it around.
All right. Take that one and just suck it up and blow it out. Suck it up, blow it, because you have paint in the pipette, you know. So you want to get all that paint rinsed out because it's got thinner in it now. It'll rinse out. So just back and forth, mixing it up as you do it. All right. All right, gonna get her mixed and put in the airbrush. Be right back. Okay, so she got it painted. Body turned out nice and super glossy. Looks good. The body, got that nice MCW gloss on it. And then did you see her paint that metal paint? First try, she did as good as me, which I did show her how to do it. Maybe that's why. So we used on this one, we used the Spaz Sticks chrome paint. Let me show you. This stuff is just amazing.
I got paint on my shirt.
Oh, you sure did. Oh well, you can throw that shirt away. That'll never come out.
It's okay, I can wear a jacket.
She can wear a jacket. It's always a backup plan. So all the engine, the heads, the blower hat, blower, and the exhaust are, and the pulleys on the blower belt are Spaz Sticks chrome, and then the transmission is a magnesium color, which is still kind of dark. And then she painted the engine block titanium gold alclad, and it turned out awesome. It looks so cool. It's almost like a chrome, but gold. She's freezing out here. Anyway, you done good. So now all she's got to do is get this stuff put together. Oh, there still has to be some chroming done on these parts here. They were de-chromed, but anyway, more progress than before. So tell me is it clear or not, because I can't tell if it's clear or not.
It needs to be like higher and
like this right here. It's like it has to be high. All right, so you guys give her some encouragement. Tell her what a great job she did. She did a really good job. Sometimes, I catch myself trying to tell her to do exactly like I do it, but then I just kind of back up and let her do it, and it turns out pretty good. So anyway, do you want to say anything? You hadn't said really anything.
Because I'm cold.
You're cold. Are you enjoying painting? What's your favorite part of building one? Is it painting it?
That was pretty fun because I don't feel like I'm messing up.
She's talking about the chrome stuff. Yeah,
I'm just constantly moving.
You just kind of fog it on
like
there.
that. I'm like moving the thingy weird and.
Painting those older cars with round fenders is like painting a basketball. There's no flat surfaces. But anyway, okay, all right. So hey, thank you guys for watching. There will be another video or two before she gets this thing done, but I think it'll get done in time. The engine, by the way, she don't know this, but we'll have plug wires.
I was gonna ask you a second ago if I could have those.
Yeah, so it's gonna have plug wires, and I don't know what else. I know it's her build, but the
blue stuff.
Oh yeah. Here, grab that one of mine. So I was showing her about the heat staining the headers, and I did my first, and you may not can see it very well, especially because there's no way this sucker will. And I can't see it because I'm blind. I can't even.
Here, let me.
Oh, I thought it would turn around backwards. There. So those, I heat stained them with Alclad clear blue and then Tamiya orange. And so she wants to heat stain her headers as well. So that'd be cool. Her zoomies, when they come out of the block right there, they'll be heat stained. So that'll be nice. But yeah, plug wires, paint the rest of this stuff chrome that needs to be, and put it together. It should be done. So that's good. All right, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching Ruthie paint and me talk. Matthew, why don't you let her talk? Because she doesn't. That's why I don't let her talk, because she just doesn't.
I just don't talk on camera.
I guess, and you know.
That's why on my videos, I don't talk. And he wants me to, but I don't want to talk.
Okay. It's easy. You just talk. Don't forget to check out Hobby Nut Models, where this MCW paint came from, which is the greatest stuff ever. Also the leveling thinner that we used. HobbyNutModels.com. Check it out. It's linked in the description below. Click on that link, take you straight there. Helps me out, helps Mark out at Hobby Nut Models, and helps Ruthie out, because that's where the paint came from.
Oh, I was like,
just like, how the help me out. And all the other things in the description of the video, especially Ruthie's channel, Simply Ruth. If your girlfriend's daughters, grandmothers, great grandmothers, wives, and all those ladies haven't subscribed to her channel, push them over to her way and give her a sub if you don't mind. It's linked in the description below. And hey guys, thanks for watching, and we'll have another quick video very soon with some progress on this 29 Ford pickup pumpkin mobile, that's what it is. All right, and we got to get the pumpkins out too.
What pumpkins?
The pumpkins.
Oh, those pumpkins.
Yeah, I got pumpkins, got to paint them. Got some painted and unpainted. All right, anyway, we're out of here. Y'all take care. See ya. Bye.
Bye.